Hello, my name is Richard and today I'm going to show you how to measure the value of a resistor using a multimeter. There are a few ways to identify the value of a resistor. One is using a chart like this one here. Another is online calculators, or in today's example, a multimeter. One of the main reasons I use a multimeter is that the quality of the print and colour in a resistor can vary. Even different lighting conditions can be enough to misread one of the bands. The consequence of putting the resistor in the wrong place can result in damaging the circuit board, which you can easily avoid if you double check with a multimeter first. This is the multimeter that we're going to be using. It's the Rapid RH-MM17. I'll add a link to it in the description below. The first step is to connect the black probe to the COM port. You can see that the colour of the probe matches the colour of the socket. For the red probe, we have three different options. The one we need to find is the one that has the ohm symbol as shown here. The first time you see a multimeter, the number of options can be quite confusing. As we know that we want to measure resistance, we only need to worry about the scale from here to here, which is also denoted by an ohm symbol. If we take the example of the orange pit 328 kit, we know from the kit list that we have three different resistor values, a 10k, a 1k and a 330 ohm. So we need to move our dial to the closest value that doesn't go under. In this case that would be 20k. If we didn't know the value of the resistors, the best practice is to start at the higher end of the scale and work your way down until you have the correct reading. Now that we have our multimeter set up, we're ready to test the resistors. Resistors are not polarity sensitive, so this means that you can measure them either way around. Use gentle but firm pressure to get an accurate reading. You can see from the display that the first resistor is 10k. You might notice that the reading is not the exact value. Resistors have a set tolerance which ranges from 1%, 5% or 10%. The second is 1k, and again you can see that the reading is slightly different, but it is within the tolerance. Finally, onto the third resistor, we can see that this one is the 330 ohm. And that's how easy it is to check the value of a resistor with a multimeter. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to find out more about the multimeter or the orange pip kit, see the links below.